Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an Ipsy unbagging. Normally I would do an Ipsy try on in addition to an unbagging, but I also do need to film some of my FabVent events today. So I am going to just do this as an unboxing, and then if I have an opportunity to, I may incorporate some of those products into one of the videos that'll be coming up later next month. Okay guys, this has been sitting at my house literally I think almost a week now, and I haven't unbagged it. I haven't even, I'm literally ripping it open as we talk, because the times that I have to film are very limited. So it came right after I filmed, and I was like, alright, I guess it's gonna wait until next week. So it is what it is, but let's get into it. Let's see what we got. So this month's bag is a little bit more subdued than last month's. Last month I literally resubscribed to this for last month's bag because it was all witchy and I just loved it. This is definitely something you could take to work and be moderately forgotten at work because it's really boring. Alright. But I do like the little pull tab. It's a little faux leather and it says Ipsy on it, so that's at least a nice upgrade. Alright, and we do have our little card for the month. It says be present, and that's something I'm definitely working more towards in terms of not just what I do in my job, what I do at home with my family. I want to be present in the moment instead of being kind of scattered. So it's something I'm really working on, and hopefully I'm getting better at. Maybe my husband will tell me, I don't know. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull some stuff out here. The first thing that I have is this item lid glaze. It's a hydrating jelly eyeshadow infused with hydrating ingredients. So it's in this cute little packaging like this, but I'm pretty sure the eyeshadow is a brown color. So this is Addison Rae's Item Beauty Products. I guess she's a TikTok person. I don't really watch TikTok, so maybe my friend Emily can fill me in. But she created this. It's great for sensitive skin apparently, which is cool. Alright, and let's see what the color looks like. Okay, so it's kind of a bronze, copper, gold. It's got a really nice shiny reflect, so I think that that's really pretty. I think a lot of people would be really excited to have something like that. It's definitely really smooth to the touch. It's easy to get out just a little bit at a time, which I appreciate, because obviously with something like this you only need a little bit to be able to cover your whole lid. I mean, I squirted out a little drop and I covered half my hand, so I think that's definitely a nice product and fun to try, because then you can see if there's other colors you might want to check out. Alright, the next thing, this is Complex Cultures Overtime Blush in Pink Slip. So let's see what this looks like. I like their packaging. It's a recycled cardboard kind of look to it. I don't know if it's actually recycled or not. Hopefully it is. And this is 1.5 grams of product. And this is what the blush looks like. It's a nice warm peachy toned blush. Ooh my gosh, that's really soft. Alright, and there it is, kind of sheared out. I know my lights are kind of killing the effect of that, but you can see it's a really nice peachy kind of pink color. I think that would look really flattering on light and medium skin tones. I don't know about deeper skin tones obviously, because I'm very fair and that's a lighter color of blush, but I think you could probably build it up. Alright, and look at this cute little cutesy. This is the Tatcha Deep Cleanse. You guys notice it's the most expensive thing in the bag that I'm practically throwing on the floor. This is the Deep Cleanse. It's a little sample size. Let me see, how many mils is this? 25 mils. That's actually a huge sample, so I'm not mad about this. This I'm excited to try. I did just pick up a larger version of it, but definitely would be nice to have a travel one for in my travel bag, and then the big one for at home. Or who knows? Oh no, that one is bigger. Okay. Alright, the next thing is the Ico Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara in Beatnik Black. And it's a little squeezy tube mascara here. I have not tried the Ico mascaras yet, but I do have their waterproof sport eyeliner from an Ipsy bag like 2 years ago, and I think it just finally wore out on me because it's just finally drying out. But that was one of the best black eyeliners I've ever used. I really enjoyed it, so I'm excited to try the mascara. And then the last thing here is the Context Skin Matte Lipstick in Sweet Emotion. And I have never heard of Context Skin before. That's a new brand for me. Packaging is cute. It's like just a simple black plastic. Alright, let's try this one on since I don't have a lip product on today. So certainly I don't think this color necessarily goes with the look that I've put together, but it's like kind of a nudie like red brown color, like a darkened brick kind of color, but I think you can sheer it out based on like how heavy you apply the lipstick. It's pretty comfortable, at least on the onset. It doesn't have like a bad smell or anything like that. It feels kind of like those more like waxy, balmy kind of lip products, so yeah, I'm not mad at that. Alright, you guys, so that was everything in my bag. I think the thing I'm most excited for obviously is the Tatcha cleanser, just because I have been wanting to try this brand so much and I just have not had the opportunity, so I'm super excited for that. But I do think the lip color is really pretty. The blush and the eyeshadow are both really pretty too. Like, I think the swatches here, they look really nice, so I'd be excited to give those a try. And then the mascara, obviously I really like the other product I've tried from them, so I'm really excited to give this one a try too. Let me know in a comment down below, did you get Ipsy this month? Have you skipped it? Have you canceled it? Are you resubscribing? What is your deal with Ipsy right now? So the other interesting thing about Ipsy right now is that they just bought BoxyCharm, so I'm really interested to see, since they have like competing subscriptions, what Ipsy / BoxyCharm are going to turn into, because BoxyCharm has been doing all kinds of scandals, making these weird like cut rate products, and that's part of the reason why I ended up canceling my subscription to them. But I'm curious to see, now that Ipsy's in charge, what's going to be different. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any thoughts on that whole situation as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to catch you in my next video. Bye!